Hello friends, today we are exploring Power BI. So firstly, we will find out what Power BI is. So the Power BI is a business intelligence and data visualization tool that converts data from various sources into interactive dashboards. Without wasting time, let's move towards video we are waiting for. Okay. So firstly, open Microsoft Store and search for Power BI. Now, as you can see, there are two softwares of Power BI, but you have to download only Power BI desktop because other softwares will trouble you with the licensing. As you can see, I have downloaded it already. I am opening this. It is taking some time, guys. Okay guys, here we are on interface of Power BI. You can see this interface. It is very simple and understandable. So let's explore the Power BI. There is a report view, which is a default view of the Power BI. Here we can make reports, charts and graphs. Next to report view, this is table view, and all the tables in your data are stored in this space, and their queries are also written here. After left hand side, we will move to home tab, and in home tab we will shift data column from which we can import data of various sources, like we can import from Excel, a CSV file or SQL database, like that. And there is a last more option where you can import. After data column, we will move to queries, where there are two options like transform data and the refresh data. So here, when you load the data in Power BI, then if you want to perform operations, cleaning or process the data, then we can use this option. Next to queries column, there is insert column, in which there are three options are present, which we will be using in upcoming videos. And now before ending video, I will show you how to import or load data in BI. So I'm adding the Excel file. So we'll click on Excel worksheet and select the file. It is taking some time. And now you can see it is loading. Now it's loaded, and to the very right side of the interface, you can see our sheet is imported to the Power BI. That's it guys for today. In next video, we will see how to use Power Queries to transform data. Thanks for watching video.